Hey everyone, just wanted to jump in. If you're interested in your own kit, either for a truck or a van, go ahead and check the description down below. I'm including email address. Reach out, get some more info. Thanks. Enjoy the video.
Just show you, this is one of the main reasons to go for the LED swap. So this is with the headlights off and on. You can hear it changes a little bit in the tone, but before I used to get that would drop almost 200 to 250 RPM. Now, doesn't even bother it. So normal, off, and back on. No difference. Located up in behind the glove box, so you gotta take out this guy here. There's a screw here, a screw with a little plate that hooks in behind the door trim piece, like the silk overcover. Screw here, and a screw up here in the top corner. All Phillips head, so I'm gonna have to pull those out. Looks like 10 mils. Take this whole bracketry piece out. Alrighty, so I went ahead and pulled off the screw or bolt that was here, and then the nut that was up here. The nut holds the bracket, the screw and wire goes across the front of it, so I took it off to get access. The width of it is a little bit bigger. This one has tabs on it, so I'm going to go ahead and razor blade those off because it will not fit into the plastic surround for it. And then I'm going to go ahead and pop the new one in. Okay, cut those little tabs off. Fits in there, no problem now. And put this all back in place. So just going to tighten down this 10 mil nut and then refix this guy here with the 10 mil. I also did the interior dome light. I did ice blue for mine. The kit will come in white, and then I also did the lights for the AC and the dash cluster. So you can see those are backlit blue. Those are backlit blue. And you can see over here is much brighter as well. To get this guy off, all you gotta do is pinch on each side a little bit. There's two tabs right where my two fingers are. And then from the vans, it's just the same as the backlights, it just pulls out. If you have the truck, it's a different shape bulb.